I hope you are fine. In summer vacation, I hope you have used time for study. First, I request you, please purchase book because without book you cannot well understand the lesson as well as exercise. So, first you purchase the book. Next one, very important information for all class 5th student, for all student. After watching video, in comment box you have write name, class, section for attendance. This is a very important for all student. Okay, today we discuss about the lesson first, growing plants. Class 5th, general science, lesson first, growing plants. In this lesson we have studied about the plants, how to plants germinate, parts of seed, seasons, types of plant on the basis of cotyledons and dispersal of seeds, etc. So first we discuss about the new plants from seeds, but before that we discuss about the importance of plant. You know that plants are very important for us as well as animals. You know that during the photosynthesis, plant breathe in, take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen for all animals and human beings for breathing. So this is very important. They keep balance between balance carbon dioxide as well as oxygen. As you know that plants also give us food, wood, etc. Many things give us. Okay, how do plants grow? First, new plants grow from seeds. You know that suppose this is a seed. When seed gets proper amount of water, air and warmth, then the seeds start to germinate. After, suppose if anybody show this seed in the soil and they absorb water from the soil and also get air from the atmosphere and they get warmth from the sun. After few days they convert into a plant. Okay, next parts of a seed. Parts of a seeds. We observe first. We observe about the outer part. This diagram is so the outer part of the seed, and you know that this outer parts seeds are covering a hard layer, and this hard layer is called seed coat. Okay, see here, and outer covering called seed coat. Seed coat protects the baby plant inside the seed. Inside the seeds, baby plants, and this baby plants protected by the seed coat. And then the seed coat has a tiny hole through which seed gets water. In seed, a very small pores are found, and in these small pores, water enter in the seeds. And next, this is the inner part. When we unfold the seed, and this seed are changed to parts. This is cotyledons, and seed leaves or cotyledons store food for the baby plant. This is a cotyledons, and this is cotyledons, they store food for the baby plant, and this stored food are used by the baby plant during the seedling, during the germination, seed germination. Okay, now on the basis of cotyledons, on the basis of cotyledons, plants are two types: monocot and dicot. Monocot and dicot plants. What do you mean by monocot plants? Some, you know that some plants have only one cotyledon, and such type of plants are called monocot plants. Example: maize, wheat, rice, lily, etc. These plants are example of monocot plants. I repeat it again. The plants that have only one cotyledon are called monocot plants. Example: maize, wheat, rice, lily, etc. Now dicot plants. What do you mean by dicot plants? What is a dicot plants? What are dicot plants? Okay, plants that have two cotyledons. Plants that have two cotyledons are called dicot plants. Example: gram, pea, bean, etc. Okay, I hope you are understand about the monocot plants and dicot plants. Okay, now next topic is germination of seeds. How to seed germinate? Now see the here four stages of seed germination. First we discuss one by one here. When you know that the essential conditions required for the seeds to germinate are proper amount of water, air and warmth. The change of a seed into a seedling is called germination. Is called germination. During the germination, seed absorb water and cells of the embryo start dividing and it increase inside. Here see this seeds sow in the soil. When seeds sow in the soil, where these seeds it gets air, water and warmth of the sun, and they start the increase in size. After few days, then their first root develop, and this is the shoot part and this is the root part, and the seed sprouts and the seedling appears after some times. First you know that first root develop, and you know that plants have two types of part, two type parts: root part, root system and shoot system. Above the ground, shoot system, and below the ground, root system. Okay, after few days and roots are well developed, the seedlings develop roots and shoots. You know that this is a shoot part and this is a root part. After few days, means few months, you have seen the a small baby plant. The baby plant grows and leaves appear. Roots also well developed and this number of leaves are increases and stems are developed day by day. And this is the stages of germination. Now all students, please take copy and pen. Now write homework. Now write homework. First question is: draw and label the stages of germination. First you draw the diagram of seed germination, different stages of germination, and label it. Second, give two examples for each of the following. Give two examples for each of the following. First, monocot plants, and second, dicot plants. I repeat again. First question, draw and label the stages of germination, and second, give two examples for each of the following. Number one, monocot plant, and second, dicot plant. I repeat again, all students always keep in mind, after end of the video you have write the name, class, section in comment box. This is a very important for attendance. So all student, you have write name, class, section in comment box for attendance. Always keep in mind and you do it this activity. I hope you're well, fit and fine. Thank you.